Guys, so it's another week to go again. You feel me? So I'm supposed to make this particular video yesterday, but try yesterday I was very busy, and yeah. So yesterday, which is Monday, I didn't take any trade on this particular account. I didn't take any trade, though I saw a setup yesterday on AUDJPY. I think I saw that setup around 4 or 5 p.m. But the setup didn't trigger until around 10 11 p.m. You feel me? So I didn't set any order. I didn't set any order because I know that during that time I use limit order, so during that time spreads are going to be wide. You feel me? So I can even get stopped out of the trade before the market go my way. But the trade played out well. Going to put the before and the after somewhere around here. It's actually 1:4 setup. You all know I go for 1:4. I just keep it there 1:4. You feel me? So yeah, that trade played out well. Had it been that trade from probably around 1 p.m, then triggered around 3 p.m, I would have placed this limit on my account and I would have been up on profit for this week. That's by the way. You feel me? We still have today, we still have Wednesday, we still have Thursday, we still have Friday. All I have to do is just to stay patient, follow the plan, and yeah, we're going to see how the week is going to be like. I'm going to catch you guys up when I see a trade. Let's go. You guys, so I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly. It's currently raining, but I'll try to be audible. So yeah, I'm currently looking at this sell on AUDJPY, as you guys can see. I am currently looking at this sell, and yeah, so this is the trade I didn't place on the account. This is the trade I was telling you guys about. Look at the trade here on AUDJPY. That was yesterday. Feel me? So yeah, we're looking at this one, right? And then what I'm not expecting the market to push all the way down and then come back here to tap me in and then sell off. I'm not expecting that. All I'm expecting is, as the market is pushing like this, let's just come here, and then if it's going in my direction, it goes in my direction. If it's hitting stop loss, then it is hitting stop loss. You feel me? So that's it. So let me show you guys the trade. Let me show you guys the pending order. Let me show you guys the pending order. You guys, as you guys can see, this is my account. Today is today is Tuesday, and the time right now is 10:27 a.m. So let me show you guys the pending order. So this is the pending order. So you guys can see, I'm currently risking 1% and I'm going for this approximately 4%. And yeah, so this is the account balance from last week episode. And for last week, let me show you guys what we did last week. For those of you who didn't watch last week episode, just go to my channel. You're going to see how last week went. You feel me? So this is last week. Let me start from here and then let me put it here. Yeah, so as you guys can see, last week we took 2 losses, right? This one of BTC is supposed to be a win, but to know why it ended up being a loss, just go and watch last week episode. And then DGPPUSD was a loss. You feel me? So that's it. If this trade should go in our direction, then I'm going to be up for this week and I'm going to be up on my account. Because right now I'm 1% down, 1 point something percent down. So if this trade should go in my direction, I'm making approximately 4%, right? And 4% minus 1%, that's going to give me like 3% up on the account. So let's see how the trade is going to be like. I'm going to keep you all updated when the trade gets tapped in. And yeah, join my free Telegram group. I share all my trades on my Telegram group, so join. The link is in the description box, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys up when this trade triggers. Let's do it. You guys, so as you guys can see, this is AUDJPY some hours later, and yeah, look at this. I think I recorded when the market was somewhere around here. Yeah, so the market pushed out. I thought the market is going to trigger us here. The market didn't do that. Instead, the market pushed down. And then in the last clip, I said I don't want the market to push down and then come back to the entry. I just want the market to just take out this high, tap here, then sell to the downside. You feel me? But that's not what the market did. So I'm going to delete my sell limit order now. So this is the account, and this is the order. So I'm going to cancel the order. So you guys can see the time is 4:21 p.m. So yeah, I've cancelled the order. So we're going to wait for the next trade, probably today. If you don't get a trade today, then yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. So that's it. So today's Wednesday. So on Wednesday, today's Wednesday. Well, let's see if we can get a trade today. Can't get a trade today. Probably get a trade on Thursday, or probably get a trade on Friday. But we're going to see. We're going to see. Not rushing it. We're just staying calm, staying patient, and then we're waiting for the trade. Let's do it. You guys, so I'm looking at this sale on gold, and today is Thursday. Thursday morning, to be precise, Thursday morning. Yes, I'm looking at this sell on go. Actually, 1:4 trade. So let me show you guys my entry on my account. Normally, I'm supposed to put my stop loss above this high, this particular high. Alright, I'm keeping it here because if the market comes all the way here, then it's just weak that is left here. So the market can just reverse to the upside completely. So that's why I'm putting my stop loss here. And if I should put my stop loss above this side, then I'm going to be stretching this fix to reward downwards too. So I just kept it like this, you feel me? So let me show you guys the entry on the account. As you can see, the time is 7:03, and this is the pending order. This is the pending order, so you can see 1% going for 4%. This is the account balance, and for this week so far, I haven't traded. Show you all. This week started here, right, and then here. So as you all can see, I haven't traded on the account. So yeah, let's see how this trade is going to play out. I'll keep you all updated. Let's go. Just like that, guys. This is the trade. The trade just pushed to the downside. So I'm not expecting the market to come back to the entry and then still sell to the downside. You feel me? So yeah, that's how that trade went. It didn't trigger me in. It didn't trigger me in. It just hold all the way to the downside, right? I'm just kind of trader that I want to be in that move, like that continuation move. That's the move that I want to catch. You feel me? I don't want the market to do that continuation move, then come back, and then I'm expecting another continuation. You feel me? Because after every continuation, there's always a reversal. So that's the way I see it. You feel me? Once the market is there, I want that continuation. That's what I want to ride along with. You feel me? That continuation. That's what I want to ride along. Like this particular sale. Now, if the market triggered me in, then this sale that happened, yeah, I would have been among the sellers that took the sales. You feel me? Just that continuation. That's what I want to be in. So that's it. So I'm going to wait patiently. I don't know, probably because I didn't take any trade this week. The week is looking fast, as if the week went fast. But today is Thursday, and yeah, be patient. I think how many trades have I analyzed this week? I think about 2 or 3. Somewhere around there. I think around 2 or 3. But yeah, we're gonna see. I'm still going to wait. I'm trading 5 pairs, and out of those 5 pairs, I just need one to give me a good setup between today and tomorrow. And yeah, let's wait patiently. Let's not force things. Let's keep it the way it is supposed to be. Follow the plan, stick with risk management, and yeah, we're gonna see how the week is gonna be like. Even though we don't end up trading this week, let it be that we followed our plan. You feel me? Even though we end up taking a loss this week, let it be that we follow the plan. You feel me? But let's see how the week is gonna be like. Enough of the yapping. I'll catch you all when I see a setup. Let's go. You guys, so today is Friday, and if I'm that audible, so today is Friday, and yeah, so those of you who have been following the channel, you know that I don't normally see setups on Friday, right? So I'm not even expecting a setup today, but I'm still on my chart. But in case you guys don't see another clip after this particular one, just know that's how the week went. I didn't take any trade on the account for this particular week, right, on the 5K account. Now, so next month is June. We're currently in May, April, May, June. Next month is going to be June, and that's going to be the 6th month, which means that the month already the year is already halfway done. And most of the time, I actually enjoy my quiet space. I actually enjoy my own private space, just on my own, not with anybody, not with friends, not with my brothers, my parents, or anybody. Just me at home. Just basically evaluating myself, talking to myself, just basically evaluating myself, talking to myself, trying to like stay calm and just basically what's the word, reminisce on what has been going on, how far I've gone, like areas that I've improved on, and basically things like just things like that. That's what I basically do in my quiet time, in my private area, my private space. I just basically stay on my own, just basically think, and I do this every day. I do this every day. I enjoy being alone. Most people kind of like see me like an introvert, like someone that doesn't like to like socialize, someone that doesn't like going outside, chilling with friends outside and stuff like that. I enjoy that, I love that. But I just had to like kill that part of me for now. I just had to like kill that part of me, like just bury that part of me that loves going outside, playing, socializing and stuff like that. I just had to like kill it and basically just focus on myself for now, work on myself, try to improve, because I mean this trading thing is a very serious game. It's a very, very serious business, sorry. It's a very, very serious business. It requires time, it requires effort, it requires dedication. You need to be dedicated to your chart, to study, into backtest, into journal and stuff like that. I mean, there's actually time for everything. That's why I just want to dedicate these years of my life to just basically learning this skill, trying to understand trading, trying to perfect this trading skill. Because the thing is that I'm not learning trading to stop trading in the next 5 years or stop trading in the next 10 years. This is something that I want to even pass on to my kids if possible. You feel me? This is something that I want to pass on. You feel me? So this says I'm basically just taking to study this, to grind this. It's not that in the next 5 years I'm no longer gonna be in this industry anymore. I'm gonna be here because I'm kind of like seeing it like in the next 10 years, in the next 20 years. Is this something that I want to be doing? You feel me? Is this something that I want to be doing? Is this thing actually going to like give me a better future? You feel me? That's the way I'm basically saying it. That's why I'm basically saying it. So are you going to lock in for 3 years to ball for the rest of your life, or lock in for 5 years to ball for the rest of your life? That is to like enjoy yourself, travel, have fun with friends, chill with friends. Can you do that? Most people might say yes, they can do that. They can stay at home, they can lock in for 5 years, for 3 years, dedicate all their time to trading, and then for the rest of their life. I mean, it's easy in the mouth to say it, but when you start doing it, like friends are not coming in, probably start distancing your giving your friends some distance. I don't just know how to say it. Like when you just start distancing yourself away from your friends, um just basically staying on your own, not checking up on them, not texting them that much, not like hanging out with them, just basically on your own, just at home, just living that boring life. Like it is boring. It is so boring. I was like my junior brother the other day. My junior brothers, I have two junior brothers. They're telling me that my life is very boring, and it's funny, but that's the truth. It's funny, but that's the truth. I live a very, very boring life. My life, it is very, very boring. At times, I even stay at home for like a full day. There is this week, I think that was last month. I was just at home. I didn't step outside. Like I didn't step outside. I was at home like for a full week. I was at home. I didn't step outside. Very, very boring life. There were no friends visiting. Probably just two persons once in a while just come visit and then they gone. Just living that boring life. This is something that I cannot do without before. But right now, just like my mindset has shifted from this, you need to hang out with friends and all these things, go outside, play and all these things, to taking your life serious, taking this thing you're doing serious. This clip is already 5 minutes long, but that's what I just want to say. Just my private time, my private space, sorry. Just basically thinking, talking to myself, evaluating myself. And yeah, that's just it. So if you guys want to see another clip after this particular one, just know that I didn't take any trade on the account this week. We'll catch you next week. We are gonna get funded this year, because next year, hopefully, I'm going to be in uni next year. I'm supposed to be in uni this year, but I mean, it just happened the way it happened. So next year, probably by God's grace, I'm gonna be in the university, and I know that I'm not gonna have more time to like study my charts that much anymore. Probably I will be choked up with classwork, with lectures and all that, because I feel like this year I have a lot of time. I have a lot of time because I don't do much. So I have a lot of time this year to like study, backtest, journal, try to like just dedicate a lot of time to my training. Because from next year, I'll probably, by God's grace, just like I said, I'm going to be in uni, so I don't think I'll have much time again to like do the things that I have time to do now. You feel me? So we're gonna see. I'm gonna keep on documenting this whole thing here. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're doing it. I'll catch you all next week.